it's Christina from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina, and I am back with another creative team project. I'm taking this Dollar Tree Plus wood crate and I painted it with espresso and then I sanded it. I didn't think that you needed to see me do that. That's just a lot of painting. And so now I'm going to take some Italian ivory mineral paint and I'm going to give this entire crate a rough coat. I'm not going for complete coverage here because my goal here is to have it look worn. I want it to look like it's, it's been used, it's been around for a while. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Paint Couture YouTube channel. There is so much creative ideas for you to walk away with, and I'm sure that you will not be disappointed. Okay, so once that's all painted and it's dried, I'm taking my sander and I'm going to rough it up a little bit more to add a little bit more distressing. This is the style that I like. I like old, I like layered, I like worn. So that is really my goal here. And these are IOD paint inlays, and they're from the pack Ditzy Bloom. I am going to use Paint Couture's Dead Flat Topcoat as my medium for the inlays. So I'm putting that on the center two slats. And I laid my inlay down into it, and now you're going to see me just gently pushing it down in. I'm going to spray the water on it and dab the water with the paper towel. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. You have to make sure that the inlay is making contact with the medium. And there's that second side. Do you like using paint inlays when you're doing your creative projects? I just love them. And then for the two ends, I chose one of the floral bunches that were in the pack also, and I'm putting them off-centered to the side a little bit because we're going to add a little stamp here in just a few minutes. If I inspire you to try any of the Paint Couture products that I'm using today, my affiliate link will be down in the description, and I would appreciate you using that so Paint Couture knows that I sent you. Once the inlay is completely dry, and you can tell because it turns white, you spray it again with water, and I dab off the excess, and then I pull the inlay paper up, and you have your beautiful paint inlay. Look at that. It's just so satisfying doing that. I love it. So now we're going to work on the ends. Look how pretty those florals are. Such a beautiful pack. You'll see that I'm using my little pen to help lift that up a little bit. It really does work very well. That's something I've had in my stash since my Cricut days. Okay, so these are little stamps. They're the IOD, I think it's called Apothecary. It's a miniature stamp set, and I'm just going to stamp on there with stone gray ink, number 8. Paint Couture products are so easy to use, and they help you create such beautiful layers, beautiful colors, no matter what your style is. So if you haven't tried any of the Paint Couture products, I really advise you to give them a try. They sell them in all different sizes, so if you don't want a big bottle of it, you can get the smaller ones until just to let you test it out. So now everything is dry, and I'm going to give it a little bit more distressing with my sander. Oh, I do want to mention that I did let the paint inlay set overnight once I peeled back the backing. And the next morning it was nice out, so I sealed it with a spray sealer. I took it outside and I sealed it that way. And here I'm going to use the Paint Couture Light Brown Sugar Antiquing Glaze. You can also use this as a stain. I'm making a wash out of it because I want to give this a little more aging look. So I'm brushing it all over the crate, all over the inlays, also the entire crate I'm doing. And then I'm going to wipe it back with a damp paper towel. I think it's so funny how we buy new things sometimes, like from Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or wherever, and we try to make them look old. Buy new, make it look old. It's logical, isn't it? And you'll see me wiping it back here. I'm doing the inside. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today and supporting the Paint Couture YouTube channel. And when you subscribe to their channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss when they upload new videos. And the last thing you're going to see me do is I'm going to use some Van Dyke Brown antiquing glaze along with some black chiffon. And I'm just using an artist brush and I'm going around the crate. I'm doing the corners and in the slats. And on top of it, I just want to add a little bit more aging to it. I use my finger and I smear it around. And then once I get the look that I'm going for, the project is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.